Hello friends, welcome back to the online classes of EVS. Now dear students, in previous session you have read about 4 topics, that is sources of food, kinds of food, then the vitamins and dietary fibers and water. Today we will discuss about 3 more topics in the same lesson, that is the first topic is healthy and junk food. Healthy junk food. Second topic is food habits. And third is good eating habits. Okay, these are the topics which we will discuss in this session. So students, without wasting a single minute, please open page number 28. This is your page number 28. Going to read, listen carefully, underline the words which you are having any confusion. Okay, so going to start. Healthy and junk food. What is healthy and what is junk food? I know nowadays, okay, you people are fond of junk food. Okay, but it is a very bad habit to eat junk food. Now first let me read, after that I will explain. Different items of food play different roles in our body. Okay? Different food items plays different roles in our body. To keep ourselves healthy, we must eat a healthy food. We must eat a healthy food. What is healthy food? The food which our parents prepares or gives us. Oh, okay. What is healthy food? A healthy diet includes fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, fish, egg and milk in right proportion, right quantity. All these healthy food, what are the food items? Healthy food items are fish, egg, milk, cereals, vegetables, pulses. If you take in right quantity, that food is called healthy food. Okay. And we must avoid what? Junk food. No. We must avoid junk food such as burgers, which is favorite for the kids, burgers, pizzas, noodles. These food may be tasty, but eating them is not good for our health. Okay? Burger, pizza, noodles. Yes, for the taste, no doubt they are good, it is good. But for our health, it is not good. It is not good at all. So don't eat junk food. You have to eat only healthy food like vegetable, cereals, grains, nuts, milk, fish, egg. Okay, all these things you have to eat in right quantity. That is why healthy food is very important for our body. Okay, because all these healthy foods plays an important role in our body. Fine. Food habits. Different people have, second topic, food habits. Different people have different food habits. Yes, exactly. People who eat eggs, meat and fish are called non-vegetarian. Food habits. There are two kinds of people, non-vegetarian and vegetarian. What is non-vegetarians and who is non-vegetarians and who is vegetarians? Going to differentiate. People who eat egg, meat, fish, okay, so they are called non-vegetarians. They are called non-vegetarians. The people who eat egg, fish or meat, they are called non-vegetarian. Second, vegetarians. The people who eat or the people who do not eat, the people do not eat the above things like eat fish, meat. The people who do not eat egg, fish, meat, they are called vegetarians, or we can say that the people who eat only vegetables, fruits, cereals, pulses, they are called vegetarians. Now clear. So food habits of different people depend on the area they live. Okay, food habits depend on the area where they live. They eat food that is easily available in that area. Okay, it is totally different. Food habits are totally different from others because it is depend on the area where they live and what easily they will get from that area. Okay, so this is the different types of food habits we are having. That is why people living in South India, okay, eat dosa, idli and uttappam. And those living in North India eat pulses, chapati, rice, etc. Clear? South Indians, because easily rice are grown there, so they are eating idli, dosa, sambar. Okay, and here in North India we get chapati, pulses, because all these things we get easily over here. People of different ages eat different types of food. Different ages, people also have different types of food they eat. Babies drink milk and eat semi-liquid, or we can say that soft food only. Growing children and adults eat all types of food. Old people eat light and soft food such as boiled rice, soup, porridge and milk. So babies also eat different types of food. Adult and growing people also eat different types of food. Sick people eat different type of food. Area wise also people, those who are living in that area, depends on the area where they live and what they easily get from that area. So there is the variation of food habits. Okay, not everyone having the same food daily, or not getting, everyone not getting same food. Fine. Now, good eating habits. Good eating, our third topic is violating good eating habits. It is clearly given on page number 29. Please listen carefully or just read along with me. Given below are some good eating habits you must follow to keep yourself healthy. First, wash your hands before and after each meal. Yes, everyone is doing at your home. I know everyone has to wash your hands before and after each meal. The second is eat meal at regular intervals. Don't eat too much at once or in one time. You have to have your meal or eat your meal at regular intervals. Give 2 to 2 hour gaps. Okay. So regular intervals. Third, wash vegetables and fruits before eating them. Like you are washing your hands and before and after meal, in the same way you have to wash your fruits and vegetables before having. Fourth, eat fresh and properly cooked food. Some foods you can eat raw, but the food which are only for cooking, and that food you have to eat fresh and properly cooked food. Eat slow and chew the food well. Okay, don't swallow the food, you have to chew. Eat in a clean plate at a clean place. Wherever you eat, just ensure that the place should be neat and clean. The plate should be neat and clean. Take only as much food as you can eat. Take only as much food in your plate as you can eat. Don't take extra things, extra food in your plate. Okay, because it will waste only. So take only as much food in your plate as you can eat. Avoid eating fast. Don't eat fast. Okay. Don't eat uncovered food. You have to eat only healthy and covered food. Okay. Don't eat uncovered food. It may contain germs and dust inside. And do not eat food from roadside vendors. Don't eat food from roadside vendors. Do not talk while eating. Don't talk while eating. Rinse your mouth after each meal. And the 12th point is rinse your mouth after each meal. So students, these are the good habits given in your book. You have to read it and follow these instructions. Follow these instructions which is given in your book while eating. Now, in the same page, 2 boxes are given. So, going to read, listen it. Gems for life. Do not waste food. Never waste your food. Take only as much as you can eat. Eat all kinds of food in right quantity to grow healthy. Let's remember, food gives us energy to work, think, play and fight disease. We get food from plants and animals. Food can be divided into 3 groups. energy giving food, bodybuilding food and protective food. We need vitamins to grow and remain healthy. Dietary fiber or roughage is an important component of our food. Water helps in maintaining our body temperature. Different people have different food habits, and people of different ages eat different varieties of food. Now turn the page, come to page number 30. Here, words to learn. So students, you have to learn the meaning of the words which is given on page number 30. Going to read. Bodybuilding food, food that builds muscles and make our body strong. Dietary fiber, a component of food that helps the body to digest the food. Energy giving food, food that gives us energy to work and to play. Non-vegetarians, a person who eats egg, fish, meat. Protective food, food that protect us from disease and ill health and infections. Vegetarians, a person who does not eat eggs, fish, meat. Vitamins, a substance found in food that our body needs to grow and remain healthy. So dear students, here we have completed our lesson number 4, the food we eat. Only you have to read this chapter at least 2 times at your home. Okay? Question answer I will upload on the website of our school. You can write answer the following in the copy and rest everything like write the correct answer, color the food item that are good for your health, C, fill in the blanks, D, true, false. All these things, all the 4-5 exercises you have to do in the copy, but question answer you have to write in the copy, and homework which I will give, that also you have to do in the copy. Clear? So children, take care, stay safe, stay healthy at your homes. Be careful. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.